how rain is formed. The ocean are the chief source of rain, but lakes and rivers also contribute to it. The sun heats evaporated water. It remains in the atmosphere as an invisible vapor until it condenses, first into clouds and then into the raindrops. Condensation, it happens when the air is cooled. Air cools either through expansions or by coming into contact with a cool object such as a cool landmass or an ice-covered expanse. When air passes over a cold object, it loses heat and its moisture condenses as foam, dunes or frost. Air also cools as it rises and expands. The water vapor in the cooling air condenses to form clouds and sometimes rain. Form clouds. Air rises for several reasons. Convergent lift occur in the cyclonic storms such as tornadoes. Air whirling toward the center of the cyclone collided with itself and is forced upward. In convective lift, air coming into contact with one surface, such as this desert, is heated and becomes more buoyant than the surrounding air. In an orographic slit, the air is forced outward as it sinks and condenses as a cooler, denser bodies of air, or when it meets a rise landforms such as mountains. For raindrops to form, there must be particular matters in the air, such as dust or salt, at temperatures above freezing. These particulars are called condensation nuclei. When the nuclei are cooled to temperature below the freezing point, water condenses around them in the layers. The particles become so heavy they resist updraft and fall through the clouds. When the air temperature is at or below freezing all the way to the ground, the precipitation falls as snow.